What's up guys, hello again, it's jacobcrypobury here. Today we're going to look at the Cardano once again as we actually lost support on our little bull flag, unfortunately. So we're back down to the $0.6086 price level, still holding really strong at rank 6 with a $20.5 billion market capital. So crypto as a whole over the last day, the market capitalization has flipped a little bit red once again. So it makes us question, was it a bit of a dead cat bounce, or will we still see continuation to the upside? Well, stick around and watch this video and we will find out together. So Cardano at the moment, guys, we're looking at the daily time frame and we were looking at this potential pattern here just from yesterday. As we see, we're still in this particular symmetrical triangle. So when we look at the 1 hour time frame, what is interesting is we lost this support. We did talk about this particular bull flag and we said if we lose support at 0.63, well, we could effectively capitulate back down lower. So we're still trading on the 1 hour time frame in this gigantic symmetrical triangle. Looking at the RSI, we did identify we were overbought on the 1 hour relative strength index. So at the moment, because we used this particular RSI here as a barometer to see if we would actually kind of replicate what happened in the previous swing high. So we got the swing low, we got the swing high over here, RSI is pumping, swing low again, and again, the RSI is back up. So each time the RSI is diminishing and becoming a little bit lower time and time again. So what we're waiting for is potentially to target the $0.63 level. Of course, we've got the Vasil Hardfork in just 23 days. So lots of excitement and anticipation in the market for this particular protocol update for Cardano. So basically what we need to watch out for is not falling below 0.56. If we do that, we could effectively see bearish continuation to the downside, looking at about $0.52. Looking at the 15-minute time frame at the moment, we are putting through a little bit of a retracement from this impulse wave. If we do look at the swing low over here to the swing top, we can see we're just getting a bounce off of our 0.382 Fibonacci retracement zone, and we're still above that 20-day moving average over here on the hourly time frame. We're also still above it. So effectively, I would like to see another pump for Cardano. We are getting a lot of buying pressure around this 0.6 level. So the whales and the smart money is effectively trying to hold Cardano nice and strong at the moment. And an interesting view of this is actually the daily time frame. We can see right here the amount of buying pressure at this particular level. 0.57 on the daily. We've recovered already up to a 0.61. So even though it looks like it's down on the daily time frame, we're actually looking very, very strong. Lots of support for Cardano along this diagonal as well. The 0.53, the 0.54, and also the $0.55 price level does reflect a lot of support for the project. So I'm pretty bullish long term, and I think we're going to see a lot happen for Cardano. If we flip over to the 4 hour time frame, we do break through the symmetrical triangle. The first sort of area we're looking for in terms of price targets will be the $0.72 level. The golden pocket takes us up to this key resistance at $0.77 over here. So I do think it's possible we will see a $0.77 Cardano in June with the Vasil Hardfork. However, because we are still in a macro downtrend with Bitcoin and the rest of the market, these would be take profit zones. So 0.67 take profit, 0.77 take profit zone number 2. You could effectively go long if you wanted a swing trade position now with a stop loss set below this symmetrical triangle at around $0.55. Of course, very risky. I'm just a guy that makes YouTube videos, so please take everything I say very sensitively. You don't have to copy what I am doing, but we have sprung off this 20-day moving average here. Things are looking good. Maybe we will actually retrace back down to this 20-day moving average before seeing more continuation to the upside. Nonetheless, very, very bullish for Cardano. If we look at the daily time frame again, you'll be keen to see a breakout to this diagonal resistance at some point in the near future. So again, maybe expecting it by July. 0.77 is still a realistic price target for Cardano. Looking ahead in the future, of course, we can actually start to look at some 2025, 2030 price targets. Again, we're going to get those hyper bullish areas of between $3.86 and $4.81, all the way up to even $10 here, looking at a 3.618 Fibonacci retracement. So are we looking at a Bitcoin bottom at the moment? Well, this is the BLX chart. This highlights every single cryptocurrency bull market and bear market from basically the test of time. We can see that Over here in 2013, this vertical blue line highlights peak euphoria, peak RSI. Same with this blue line here, same with the blue line here of May 2021, where we actually can see the bull market did finish. Now, what's interesting is if we look at the bull market cycle bottom to the next peak, it takes around 821 days. Now we can see we're coming down to a potential market cycle bottom. Maybe we're not there quite yet, but what we could speculate is from this green line, we could maybe assume, well, what if it's another 800 days? You're going to be looking at October 2024 for the next potential cryptocurrency bull market. So that's from this green line to that blue line. Previous one was around also 850 days. Unbelievable 821 days. it doesn't get clearer than this. This is the only thing you need to look at in crypto. So you could effectively say buying at this green line, holding for years equals profit. Buying at this green line, holding for years equals profit. Every single time, guys. This is why you should effectively buy cryptocurrency today. And this is why I'm feeling extremely bullish about crypto, is because of this chart right here. 800 days is all you need to do. 800 days to not react to the market. 800 days to not allow nonsensical information across social media to invalidate your sentiment and your original reasoning as to why you got into cryptocurrency in the first place. And here it is. We see this green line marked almost the bottom. This one marked almost the bottom with the RSI in mind. And right now we're seeing something very, very similar. Again, we could still come down lower. $23,000 not off the table. 18,000 not yet off the table. But I personally think we've got a long, long way to go. Cryptocurrency is young. The market is going to grow rapidly over the next years. It's inevitable at this point, guys. Market fear and greed sentiment is still extreme fear at the moment in the market, guys. We can see 15, and it can effectively mean opportunity to buy more crypto at a lower cost price, closer to the fair value cryptocurrency against the logarithmic regression band. So things are looking extremely tempting for crypto accumulation. If you want to grab Bitcoin or crypto today, or grab some Cardano, use the link down in the description below. One of the best exchanges you can use. Also, make sure you hop into the description, guys. Hop into the Telegram channels, learn to trade, and the business crypto insights and news if you want to stay up to date with the most trending information. You know these markets move quickly, so don't miss out on that one. Also, hop into the Discord if you want to say hello to me. It's my personal channel, no strings attached at all. So thank you for viewing, guys. Massive thanks to the 3K subs. Absolutely crazy. Did not think I'd be hitting 3K subs on this channel ever, to be honest with you. Anyhow, I'll be sticking around through the bear markets, and if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Bye for now.